For the repair of the PCB cards with voltage protection, the following procedure were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components, and general cleanup of the units. For testing we use 220-volt AC power supply. Channels 1 to 2 correspond to indicators 1 to 2. From 1 to 27 is the ground, where we connect the positive lead of the multimeter and short circuit channel 1 to input 2. The protection works and limits the current to 58 milliamperes, as we can see on the multimeter. We can observe that each terminal on the PCB card corresponds to its respective indicator light when illuminated. No further testing is possible due to lack of additional units. It is now clear that the PCB cards are working successfully and are ready to deliver to the client.